Hello and welcome to The Roaming Investor. Today, we're going to talk about how to enjoy traveling while maintaining a minimalist lifestyle. If you're someone who is interested in minimalism, but also loves to travel, stick around, because this might have the information you're looking for. In this blog, I'll be sharing some tips and tricks for packing lightly and minimizing expenses while traveling. But why minimalism could be a benefit? Less stress. Traveling can be stressful, but packing light can help reduce stress levels. When you have fewer items to pack and carry, you can move around more easily and enjoy your trip without the worry of lugging around heavy bags. Cost-effective. Minimalism can also help you save money while traveling. By packing only what you need and minimizing expenses, you can enjoy your trip without breaking the bank. Freedom. When you have fewer possessions, you have more freedom to move around and explore. You won't be weighed down by excess baggage or unnecessary items, allowing you to move more freely and experience more of your destination. More meaningful experiences. Minimalism can also help you focus on the experiences that matter most. When you're not distracted by material possessions, you can focus more on the people and places around you, creating more meaningful memories and experiences. Sustainable travel. Minimalism can also be a way to travel more sustainably. By packing lightly and minimizing waste, you can reduce your environmental impact and enjoy a more sustainable travel experience. Okay, let's talk about packing. When traveling, it's essential to pack light to make your trip more comfortable and stress-free. Here are some tips for packing lightly. Start with a packing list. Make a list of everything you think you'll need for your trip. Once you've made the list, go through it again and cross off anything you don't need. Choose versatile clothing. Select clothing items that can be mixed and matched to create different outfits. You don't need to pack a separate outfit for every day of your trip. Pack only what you need. Consider the activities you'll be doing on your trip and pack accordingly. Only pack what you'll need for those activities. Use packing cubes. Packing cubes are a great way to keep your clothes organized and maximize space in your suitcase. Consider your destination. If you're traveling to a warm climate, you won't need heavy coats or boots. Pack according to your destination. Now let's talk about how to minimize expenses while traveling. Research affordable destinations. Before booking your trip, research affordable destinations that fit your budget. Look for places with low-cost accommodations and activities. Before we continue, please make sure to subscribe and hit the like button to support more content from this channel. Use public transportation. Instead of renting a car or taking taxis, use public transportation like buses and trains to save money on transportation costs. Stay in hostels or Airbnbs. Accommodations can be expensive, but staying in hostels or Airbnb can save you money on lodging. Cook your own meals. Instead of eating out for every meal, consider cooking your meals using local ingredients. This can save you money on food expenses. Find free activities. Look for free activities like hiking or visiting local parks to explore your destination without spending money. In conclusion, traveling while maintaining a minimalist lifestyle can be a rewarding experience. By packing lightly and minimizing expenses, you can enjoy your trip without breaking the bank or carrying around unnecessary items. I hope these tips have been helpful, and happy travels.
If you're enjoying the content on this channel, please take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated on all the latest videos. By doing so, you'll be helping to support the channel and keep us motivated to create more great content for you to enjoy.